And be careful, like, this never happened to me. I had a very responsible parent. Like, and my parents don't drink, or they drink, so they don't drink, you know. They treat like, get on great things. There are, like, many cases where people have family members that can actually drink, and then when they're 18, you know, they're offered a bit of alcohol, and alcohol, you know alcohol. So when you have a drunken, drinking alcohol, it could be that you take your, like, and you're incredibly tipsy. So like I know, like some people have just been like, the first time they could go and they're just drunk around their family, nobody's down in touch. So yeah.
I'm not solving, like, I don't have a good case against.
Learning a second language has been associated with cognitive benefits, such as improved problem-solving skills and enhanced memory. Research suggests that bilingualism can positively impact brain structure and function, providing insights into the potential cognitive advantages of multilingual education.
I'm not solving, I don't have a good case against.
And be careful, like, this never happened to me. I had a very responsible parent. Like, and my parents don't drink, or they drink, so they don't drink, you know. They treat like, get on great things. There are, like, many cases where people have family members that can actually drink, and then when they're 18, you know, they're offered a bit of alcohol, and alcohol, you know alcohol. So when you have a drunken, drinking alcohol.
Cultural festivals play a pivotal role in celebrating diversity and preserving heritage. These events provide platforms for communities to showcase their traditions, art, and cuisine, fostering cross-cultural understanding. Examining the cultural and social significance of festivals contributes to a deeper appreciation of the role they play in connecting communities.
I'm not solving, like, I don't have a good case against.
And be careful, like, this never happened to me. I had a very responsible parent. Like, and my parents don't drink, or they drink, so they don't drink, you know. They treat like, get on great things. There are, like, many cases where people have family members that can actually drink, and then when they're 18, you know, they're offered a bit of alcohol, and alcohol, you know alcohol. So when you have a drunken, drinking alcohol, it could be that you take your, like, and you're incredibly tipsy. So like I know, like some people have just been like, the first time they could go and they're just drunk around their family, nobody's down in touch. So yeah.
Social media influencers have become powerful figures shaping consumer behavior and trends. Brands leverage influencer marketing to reach wider audiences, and influencers, in turn, create content that resonates with their followers. Analyzing the impact of social media influencers on consumer choices and marketing strategies provides insights into contemporary digital marketing dynamics.
like they're offered a bit of alcohol, and alcohol. So when you have a drunken alcohol or it could be that you take your like beer and you're incredibly tipsy. So like I know like some people have just been like the first time they're going to work and they're just drunk around their town. No, but down in so yeah.
Yeah, I'm not solving like I don't have a good case against.
Wait until you're 18. And be careful, like, this never happened to me. I had a very responsible parent. Like, my parents don't drink, or they drink, so they don't drink, they treat like, there are like many cases where people have family members that actually don't drink, and then when they're 18, they're offered a bit.
Wildlife conservation faces numerous challenges, including habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. Conservation efforts involve protecting endangered species, establishing protected areas, and promoting sustainable practices. Understanding the complexities of wildlife conservation and the interconnectedness of ecosystems is crucial for preserving biodiversity.
Yeah, I'm not solving like I don't have a good case against.
Wait until you're 18. And be careful, like, this never happened to me. I had a very responsible parent. Like, my parents don't drink, or they drink, so they don't drink, they treat like, there are like many cases where people have family members that actually drink, and then when they're 18, they're offered a bit of alcohol, and alcohol. So when you have a drunken alcohol or it could be that you take your like beer and you're incredibly tipsy. So like I know like some people have just been like the first time they're going to work and they're just drunk around their town. No, but down in so yeah.
Video gaming has evolved from simple arcade games to complex virtual worlds, with advancements in graphics, storytelling, and online multiplayer capabilities. The gaming industry has become a major entertainment sector, influencing popular culture and technological innovation. Examining the evolution of video gaming provides insights into the dynamic intersection of technology and entertainment.
There are like many cases where people have family members that actually drink, and then when they're 18, they're offered a bit of alcohol, and alcohol. So when you have a drunken alcohol or it could be that you take your like beer and you're incredibly tipsy. So like I know like some people have just been like the first time they're going to work and they're just drunk around their town. No, but down in so yeah.
Yeah, I'm not solving like I don't have a good case against.
Wait until you're 18. And be careful, like, this never happened to me. I had a very responsible parent. Like, my parents don't drink, or they drink, so they don't drink, they treat like, there are like many cases.
Mindfulness meditation has gained popularity for its potential benefits in promoting mental well-being. Practices like mindfulness-based stress reduction have shown positive effects on stress reduction and emotional regulation. Exploring the scientific evidence and applications of mindfulness meditation offers insights into its role in mental health promotion.